Batwa umoya ngwela angikwazi lokuthandaza ngeThanzi. Ungayi-relaxeke lonto leyo. You need to be filled with the Holy Spirit so that you can pray in tongues, because you cannot pray in tongues without being filled with the Holy Spirit. Umele uqwashwa ngomoya ngcwele, then uzonyuka ngeThanzi. Mamelake iThanzi ka asilindawo kala dunyiswa. Sisemoyeni ungathi ungena lapha eminyangeni udecide ukuthandaza ngeThanzi uqhubeke ngaso. Some of the times we advise you that if I was uthandazeleni, just go into tongues, and I use that and it works for me personally. There are complicated situations now ngazuthi ngisithandazele kanjani. But because I have the Holy Spirit in me. Umoya ngcwele akashiyi umuntu. Lethi ngathi umoya ngcwele ushile, inyama yakho seyinamandla ngoba ikhulile ngoba awukhonza uthandaza afundiswe. Ikhulile inyama uthetha yona. Kodwa masusuka kulevel lenyama, kule moya kamoya ngcwele.